Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new here, and if you're not, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm working with a 28-inch transparent 5x5 closure wig. Okay. Now, before doing anything, I apply a plastic hair cap to my mannequin just to protect my mannequin and not turn my wig inside out. And I am using the 30 volume developer and the quick blue powder. I'm gonna mix those two together. It's gonna be a nice consistency, hopefully not too thick, not too creamy. So yeah, that's just what we're working with. Before putting any bleach on the lace, I like to use Got2b spray and just spray that on the lace. I used to have a really bad habit of like always over bleaching my lace, so I started doing that just to kind of help protect the lace a little bit more. And then after applying all of the bleach and making sure it's all even across the list, then I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 20 minutes. Okay, giving face, looking like a little handsome young man, child. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the install. I'm so sorry I didn't get to show you guys like me plucking and molding the hair just because I haven't perfected my plucking technique, so I didn't want to show it to you guys just yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges with some gel and use some alcohol just to clean where the lace is going to be going. And y'all, I know my makeup looks crazy, but it's the lighting. I promise my makeup doesn't look that much lighter than my skin tone. Okay, so we're gonna spray a little bit of lace tint, and then I'm going to follow up with some of that concealer, the Ruby Kisses one, and I'm going to apply that on my lace. I'm going to put it exactly where the lace is going to be showing. And I'm gonna go with the Ebon spray in the black can, and that's what I'm going to be using to lay this closure wig down today. Y'all usually do 2 layers, and don't do what I did. Make sure the spray gets tacky first before you go ahead and try to apply your lace. Okay. And y'all, I know my part is uneven, so just disregard. We're gonna fix that later on in the video. A new trick I've learned recently is when you're applying like a lace wig, always take a measuring tape and measure exactly where the middle is, because obviously like my part is uneven and I could have avoided that. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie that and then let that sit to hopefully just mold into my skin and melt. And yeah, then I'm going to go ahead and style my hair, define my curls. I'm just using water. Most of the time, the only thing I use on my curly hair is just water. So I might use a little bit of mousse, but most of the time it's water. We're gonna let go of the wrap, and then you're just seeing me blend everything in, taking a little bit of powder and just making sure everything is blended with my skin tone. And then I'm going to go ahead and fix some baby hairs, and that's about it. This was a super quick, super easy install. And let me know if you want to see more hair videos from me. I definitely want to incorporate more hair and makeup into this channel as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.